Welcome back, dear listeners, to another chapter summary of the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this chapter, we explore chapter 3 titled How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps. So let's dive in and discover the key insights. Chapter 3 How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps. In this chapter, James Clear presents a practical framework consisting of 4 simple steps that can help us build better habits and make them stick. Step 1. Make it obvious. Clear emphasizes the importance of creating obvious cues that trigger our desired habits. By making our habits more visible and noticeable, we increase the chances of performing them consistently. For example, placing a water bottle on your desk can serve as a cue to stay hydrated throughout the day. Step 2. Make it attractive. Here, Clear discusses the role of motivation and how to make our habits more attractive. One effective strategy is to use temptation bundling, which involves pairing a habit we want to develop with something we already enjoy. For instance, only allowing yourself to watch your favorite TV show while exercising can make the habit more appealing. Step 3. Make it easy. Clear highlights the importance of simplicity when it comes to habit formation. He suggests breaking down habits into smaller, manageable tasks that are easy to accomplish. By reducing the friction and barriers to starting a habit, we increase the likelihood of following through. For example, preparing your workout clothes the night before makes it easier to exercise in the morning. Step 4. Make it satisfying. In the final step, Clear focuses on the importance of immediate rewards to reinforce positive habits. By celebrating small wins and acknowledging our progress, we create a sense of satisfaction that motivates us to continue. For example, treating yourself to a healthy snack after completing a workout can provide a sense of accomplishment and enjoyment. Clear reminds us that these steps are not a one-time fix, but a continuous process. Building better habits require consistent effort and a willingness to iterate and improve along the way. It's about focusing on progress, not perfection. By implementing these 4 simple steps, making it obvious, making it attractive, making it easy, and making it satisfying, we can lay a solid foundation for developing positive habits that will lead to long-term success. That concludes our summary of Chapter 3, How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps, from Atomic Habits by James Clear. We hope you found this summary insightful and it empowers you to take action and build the habits you desire. Thank you for listening, and be sure to tune in next time for another chapter summary of Atomic Habits. Remember, small steps lead to significant transformations. Hence, do subscribe to our channel, hit the like icon and comment below, since these steps keep us motivated as well. Good day.